Jan. So let's begin today's chapter 3, how to make conclusion for discuss both views type. Well, the methodology if I talk about or strategy if I talk about to make conclusion, that mostly remains the same. Means first of all you rephrase the statement of second view. Thereafter you give your own opinion, or you can also give the opinion on the very first stage. Thereafter, suggestion or future probability. Now in this video you will see that there are two ways I have made the conclusion. So understand that how those two different ways have been made, but the strategy is same. तरीके दो रखे हैं मैंने, आप दोनों में से कोई भी चूज करें, that is your choice that how you write it. Now as the discussion we have been going on for the last 2 or 3 days on the topic discuss both views. First I made you understand introduction, second day BP paragraph, then now today it is the day of how to make conclusion for it. Now see, as far as the question is concerned, the question, some people believe that it is better to live and work in vertical cities. So that's how I would think that horizontal cities are better for living in better, discuss both views and give your opinion. So same question that you can see on the screen as well, and introduction is there also. Now my job is to make you understand the conclusion of it. Those subscribers who are new, I advise them to watch the series 2 chapters of this earlier also, only then you can understand the conclusion. Means watch introduction, how to make introduction, how to make BP of discuss both views, then you can understand this one also as well. Well, those who are listeners and daily they are updating themselves also, I request them, do it on also, send comments, I'll check it whether you have made it right or wrong as usual you are doing. So if I talk about the conclusion, how to make it. So let's begin. See, when we make conclusion, first word that we put up, या तो आप conclude डाल सकते हैं, to conclude, in conclusion डाल सकते हैं, all in all डाल सकते हैं, but I advise always not to use finally or eventually. Reason I already explained in the previous videos. Now see here how the conclusion is made. First of all, I have started from my opinion. I believe that although. So why I've used this word although? Because although is used to define the second opinion in which I am not in favor of it. Means पहला मुझे वो opinion लिखना है जिसकी favor में मैं नहीं हूँ. Right? So I believe that although life is streamlined means stable in the small towns, but living standard of the people can be maintained where there is a high work exposure. अब यहाँ तक देखिए कि यहाँ तक मैंने what I've done. This is I have made my opinion also. I have stated although, then I stated another opinion. Thereafter I am writing but. So when I'm using but, इससे क्या हुआ? So when I'm using but, the value of the previous line that is lessened. उसकी value जो है वो कम हो गई है. Now the values of living standard of the people can be maintained where there is a high work exposure. Provided, see the suggestion is also given. अब provided करके आप suggestion दे सकते हैं. Provided means शर्त ये है कि there should not be any kind of job exploitation. अब if you look at the whole conclusion, be sure about it, word length must not increase 25 words, 30 words maximum. Third step, future probability है, that is your choice. अच्छी बात है अगर आप दे पाएं तो future के अंदर आप कहना चाहिए इससे क्या फायदा होगा. So you can write it down. There should not be any kind of job exploitation which would be fruitful for the young generation. ऐसे करके आप खत्म कर सकते हैं. But I feel that enough because words are 28 to 30, so words are enough. So I do not want to write this. So this is the first case that I have taken. In this case, I have given the opinion on the very first stage. I believe that although life is streamlined. Now when I teach you the next one, question. So अभी मैं फिर आपको in short बता रहा हूँ कि first what do you do? In conclusion आपने लिखा, अपना opinion लिखा, उसके बाद आपने add on कर दिया दूसरे का opinion although के साथ. Then you are writing the word but which lessen this, means which decreases the value of the previous line and you are making the importance of the next line. So provided, and I'm giving the suggestion for it, right? Well, this is not a big video. It just take only 2 or 3 minutes more. Have patience in understanding. Thereafter, do at least practice on the 2 questions. Comment on it. I'll wait for you and check here also the conclusion. It's right or wrong. So let's say move to the next one type. दूसरा question that we have been doing, जो हम कर रहे हैं 2 series से. Some people think that teenagers should follow the example of older people. General student must understand because they get such kind of questions. Others think it is natural for the teenagers to challenge what older people say, discuss both views and give your opinion. See, the methodology remains the same. I have started from the conclusion, but यहाँ पे देखिए मैंने I believe से start नहीं किया, मैंने सीधा albeit से start किया. You can also start it by the word albeit. It means although, right? So although या albeit, it may be wise to adopt the values of ancestors. Means मैंने क्या किया? What I've done. So first of all, as an अच्छी बात है कि values को adopt करना चाहिए. But in my view, teenagers should be given liberty to take on decisions. Means if I feel that I am on the side of youngsters, it's a big challenge for the youngsters, then I'll make it that second line. आप उल्ट भी कर सकते हैं. If you feel that youngsters को follow करना चाहिए, वो बाद में line आ जाएगी, ये वाली पहले आ जाएगी. That is your choice in which favor of you. But be sure about it. Remember always, पहला पॉइंट वो आएगा जिसकी फेवर में आप नहीं हैं, जिसकी फेवर में है उसको बट करते आपको लिखना है. So but in my view, teenagers should be given liberty to take on decisions. अब देखिए, should be given suggestion हो गया है यहाँ पर, so that they could be independent in life. That's it. So if you want to enhance conclusion, that is your choice again. By future probability you can, but enough 25 words 30 words हो गए in conclusion के अंदर. So there is no need to write any more lines for it. See, अब ध्यान में रखने वाली क्या बात है, आपका पंक्चुएशन बड़ा अच्छा होना चाहिए इसके अंदर. Do not place comma after although or albeit. अगर आप लाइन यूज कर रहे हैं और 2 sentences इंडिपेंडेंट हैं, उसको अलग कर रहे हैं और रिलेशन बना रहे हैं, this is how the but can be used. Right? Be sure about all the things, all the parameters, what is important here to understand in a conclusion. Right? Now these are the 2. Hope you have got it. बड़े अच्छे से समझ आ गई होगी. अगर किसी को एग्री डिसएग्री का देखना है तो वो भी प्रीवियस वीडियो में मैंने बनाया हुआ एक वीडियो, हाउ टू मेक कंक्लूजन ऑन एग्री एंड डिसएग्री टाइप एज वेल. यू कैन सी दैट ऑल्सो. आप उसको भी देखें, इसको भी देखें, आपको ज्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं नजर आएगा. पैटर्न और मेथोडोलॉजी और टेक्निक इफ आई से दैट इज सेम. So do not go anywhere else. What I'm saying, conclusion is, first rephrase by although, thereafter suggestion. If it is need for the future probability, do unless there is no need. Right? So hope it is clear to you, and this is the end of series today. आपको introduction भी बता दी है, BP भी बता दिया, conclusion. आप अकेला conclusion लिखें, चेक करवा लें आप कमेंट में डालकर. आप पूरा आंसर लिखने आते हैं. इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन शोइंग द फुल आंसर, टेक योर टाइम. इस वीडियो के बाद आधा घंटा लीजिए, पौना घंटा लीजिए, 45 मिनट्स यू टेक और 30 मिनट्स यू टेक एंड राइट द आंसर. राइट? सो होप इट इज क्लियर टू यू. ओके, नाउ लेट्स वी मूव टू द क्वेश्चन, प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस अगेन. Some people say that e-books are the death of paper books, and some think paper books will never disappear. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Having more money and less free time is better than earning less money and having more free time. Discuss both views and give your opinion. So I hope that practice question that is same going on, and it is advised to write answers of it. I am waiting for you. Thank you for today itself. See you soon. Bye bye.